Hello and welcome to the A to Z of Yorkshire. I'm here today just outside Rotherham and I'm at, believe it or not, MAGNA. That's right. This is the place that is a museum for all things science, technology, and they say on their website they even make maths fun. Well, we'll have to see about that. So come inside and join me. This is the M on the A to Z of Yorkshire. So, welcome back. Yes, my name's Neil Hurst and I'm really looking forward to being here. This is the site of the former Templeborough Steelworks and this is MAGNA. Come inside, let's have a look and let's have some fun.
So here we are, MAGNA Science Adventure Centre. As I said, this is the site of the former Templeborough Steelworks, one of the most important steel producing sites in Britain. For most of the 20th century, this place was a roaring, fiery landscape of furnaces and molten metal, employing thousands of people and helping to build everything from railways to warships. But when the steelworks closed in the 1990s, it marked the end of an era. But not the end of its story. Rather than demolish this massive structure, the site was transformed into the Science and Education Centre that's here today. It opened in 2001, and today MAGNA celebrates the very elements that once powered the steel industry. It invites visitors to explore science through interactive exhibits, dramatic visuals, and a touch of spectacle.
So we've done it, we've finally made it inside and I'm looking forward to showing you around. Now this place is split into 4 different sections. The earth, wind, air and fire. By earth, wind and fire, isn't it? But I'm going to take you on a little peek around all of them and there are actually 100 different sort of things you can play with and touch, interactive sort of elements here. So I'm right looking forward to seeing it and taking you along for the little journey.
Well, I messed that up, didn't I? It's not earth, wind, air and fire, it's earth, air, fire and water, here beautifully shown by the MAGNA mascots. So let's start with fire. One of MAGNA's most striking areas is this, and it's not hard to see why. You see, this section is dedicated to the raw power and drama of heat, energy and combustion, the very forces that once defined the steelworks that stood here. Here you can play with interactive exhibits that let visitors experiment with heat, energy transfer and the science of flames. And how cool is this? It's an actual fire tornado. Through this section it gives you a real sense of what it might have felt like when this building was filled with sparks, smoke and roaring flames. You see, at the very heart of the fire part of this is the spectacular show Big Melt. You see, several times a day the lights dim, alarms sound and the entire hall comes alive with pyrotechnics, projections and thunderous audio. It simulates the process of steel making from raw materials to a blazing furnace. Next up, it's the water zone, and it's a complete contrast to the heat and intensity of the fire one. This is all about movement, flow, and the surprising power of something that we often take for granted. In this area, it explores how water shapes landscapes, generates energy, and influences everyday life, from the rivers that carve Yorkshire's valleys to the systems that bring clean water into our houses. And this area is great fun as well, with loads of interactive things to play with and get a little bit wet, especially this bit. As you walk in, it rains on you. And best of all, this space feels cooler and brighter than the fire zone, filled with sounds of splashing, rushing streams and dripping echoes that bounce off the steel structure above. Next up you'll find air. That's right, MAGNA's air zone is all about lift, speed and the invisible forces that move all around us. And while we can't see the air, this section reveals just how powerful it really is. From gentle breezes to the winds that power turbines and keep aircraft in the sky. And look, it's another tornado. Thankfully this one isn't quite as burny, but you see, the air zone makes the most of MAGNA's vast industrial space. Here you've got fans, tubes, wind tunnels, all that let you experiment firsthand by sending objects spinning upwards or testing how shapes behave in fast moving air. There's a real sense of adventure here woven into the design, showing us that something we barely notice every day is actually one of the most powerful elements on Earth. And the final element here at MAGNA brings us back to where everything begins. Earth. That's right, the Earth Zone is a section that focuses on the ground beneath our feet. the rocks and the minerals and the natural resources that have shaped our history. Unlike the dramatic flames of fire or the rushing sounds of water, the Earth Zone feels solid and grounded. See what I did there? Exhibits here explore geology, mining and, of course, the formation of the planet itself, revealing how layers of rock hold millions of years' worth of stories. And it's a fitting conclusion, grounding Magna's story in the very foundations of the world around us.
So there we have it. That was Magna, and we've come out and it's raining. Of course it is, it's the A to Z of Yorkshire, not the A to Z of Miami. Anyway, we really hope you've enjoyed this video. I've had a great time looking around Magna, and if you do fancy it, make sure you come along and have a look, and you'll have a lovely time. Tickets are about £20 each for adults and £18 for kids, and it's a bit more expensive when you pay when you're here. But other than that, I hope you've had a fantastic time. Check out the playlist. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that. And I'll see you next time for another exciting episode of the A to Z of Yorkshire.